The basic idea was to do a drawing trip or painting trip outside, because all the time we had done this inside the room. And coming out in nature and drawing nature is a different experience. Furthermore, they would have a walk. They may try to climb the tree like through nature and jump here and there, and that will enlighten their part of their drawing.
A lot of fun. We got to explore a lot.
Fantastic.
It was brilliant. We explored, we climbed trees.
It was amazing. You got to experience different things.
It was adventurous.